Hi friends, today I'm showing you a 10-minute indoor walking routine that I developed to help myself get into the routine of working out. This is very easy, very beginner friendly, it's low impact, it's perfect for women that have not worked out in quite a while. I have a bad knee, so it definitely is just going to be very basic. So I'm showing you this video just to inspire you. It's for entertainment purposes only. I am not a trained physical fitness person. I'm just showing you my routine, what's helping me get up off the couch. And, I want to start exercising in 2025. So if you just want to, play this and feel like you're not alone whenever you're working out, I'm happy to keep you company. But I must say, always check with your physician before embarking on any fitness routine. Like I said, I am not a trained professional. So if you choose to follow along, you're doing it at your own discretion. I'm just keeping you company. So we've been warming up gently as I've been talking to you. So we're ready to put that countdown timer on, and we're gonna work out for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna have a cool down. So if at any time you feel unwell, rest, work at your own pace. Like I said, I'm just sharing this with you for inspiration. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's get started. So we're just gonna march in place for a minute. Walk at your own speed. You can move your arms or you can choose not to move them. It's totally up to you. I'm already getting hot under these studio lights. Now we're gonna side step. You can put your hands on your hips if you want. Just really warming up the body, working out at your own pace. I can already feel the burn. I haven't exercised in quite a while. Okay, now we're gonna march forward for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just gonna keep repeating these 3 moves. This is the first time I've ever made an exercise video, so I hope it turns out okay. You find it helpful. Whew, I'm feeling the burn. How are you doing? One, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're gonna march in place. Whew. You doing okay? I can definitely feel the burn in my thighs. Remember to hydrate. It's important to drink your water. Need to rest, that's okay. You do you. Do what feels the best for you. We're gonna get a little crazy now when we switch over to the side by side. Okay, clap. Jazzing it up. Walking on the wild side. You don't want to do the clapping. Put your hands on your hips. Can you feel it in your thighs? I can feel it. Thankfully, my knee seems to be okay. Just march in place. Almost halfway there. We may be over halfway, I don't know. I don't have a camera in front of me, or a timer, I mean. So now we're gonna march forward for 4 counts, march backwards. Now march forward. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. I'm afraid of walking backwards into my fireplace. Whoops. Your heart rate up? Mine is. Feels good. You don't want to do the claps. 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. March in place. Okay, in a few seconds, we're gonna go side to side right now. Side. We're in the last 2 minutes. Didn't that go by fast? How are you feeling? Did you find this too easy, too hard? Feel like dancing. Okay, get in the home stretch. I think we're gonna finish our last minute going forward and back. Ready? Get set. Forward. 1, 2, 3. "30 seconds. Push through. You're doing amazing. Doing a great job. I'm proud of you. Let me know, did you enjoy this? Did you find it helpful? As my fitness gets better, if you want to see more, we can do more. Now we're gonna cool down for 2 minutes. So slow it down. Just slow it down. Let your arms rest. You did great. I know I can feel the burn. I know it was really an easy routine, but it has to be easy for me to keep doing it because I'm not a trained professional. I just wanted to create something I could fit into my day. Who can't do 10 minutes every day to invest in your health, right? Oh, let's slow down. Fill your lungs with oxygen. Oh, that was quite a workout. I'd love to hear your comments. Be sure to shoot me a comment. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. It's 100% free to watch all of my content. And if you want to follow along on my weight loss journey, I'll link the playlist here. Okay, really slow it down. Take your time. Slow it down. Now just maybe stand in place, gently sway side to side. That's great. You did a great job. Thanks for working out with me today. See you soon.